this. How to get this bowl off?
Oh, it's twist.
You twist it. I just didn't want to.
Yeah, right on that. This way.
Oh, thank you. So
See here?
Yeah, thank you. Alright, 125. So.
Oh, Dad, put any more cream?
Huh?
Need more cream?
Like
No,
this cream?
I'll let a little bit. Yeah, that's all.
That's alright, we'll try and make do without.
Yeah.
Do you reckon we could use milk instead?
Can use milk, yeah.
Yeah.
Try use milk. Yeah.
I reckon pour milk in here and then mix it in here so you
Yeah,
get
yeah.
all of it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Let me just make sure I get the right amount.
Maybe we should put this back in the fridge before it goes
Yep.
soft. Anyway, taking for whipped cream in a smoothie. I mean, whipped cream in a simmer mix.
Okay, that's a lot of butter, so do 30 seconds and then mix it with the fork and then
I'll do 40 seconds.
Okay, but I just don't want it to burn, that's all. Okay, so we're making the what? Base first?
Yep. Yep.
So you pour that in.
Good. Where's the scissors?
I put them back, sorry. They were in my way. Oh shit.
Look at that guy. Look at him.
I had freaking chocolate on my shirt.
Enjoy yeah, that's it now. Cream with it.
Pardon?
Cream. Okay guys, I want to show you the mess that we've created. Look at
Yeah, I put stuff in the sink, otherwise it would have been worse.
the mess that we have created. Oh, and now the butter's done. Here's the butter. Here's the butter. Oh, right, you're going in here, right?
Yep. Then you mix that,
And then you mix it.
put it in that pink tray, and then you've got to make the stuff that goes on top. But I don't know if you cook the bottom first and then you cook
Yeah,
the
you
top.
cook the bottom first and then you do it.
Okay, yeah.
She doesn't know.
I've never made that kind before.
With a what? I need a spoon.
Like this? Oh.
I just need this.
Okay. Is it working? You can probably add a little bit of milk if it's too dry.
I think it's done.
Do you want to do the baking paper while I put the stuff in the cream? Just put a little bit, just like what you did with the brownies.
In here?
Yeah.
Go and look for the oil.
Okay, that's the cream done. The butter.
That's what I do, guys. That's what I do. Let's see. I was gonna put it in there.
You could.
Isn't that rubbish?
Okay, and then
She's about to open the moldy.
I'm not using that.
Oh, it's over here.
Do you have a lemon juicer?
No, over there.
That's alright. I can do it with my hand.
Okay.
Yeah? I'll start doing the lemon then. Are we throwing this lemon out?
Wait a minute.
No. That's not gonna work. But I will need the grater because I have to grate the outside of the lemon. Can I throw this out? Guys, it has mold on it. Tell her to throw it out. I'm throwing it out. Oh, that can be washed.
We have so much fun together.
Wait, basically, look at this. Hold on. Filling.
Okay. And now I think we put this in here.
Yes, I believe so. Okay, let me look up what a rind of a lemon is so I don't just put the skin in and ruin it.
Okay, I'm just gonna use my hand. What?
Use a spoon and flatten it.
Oh, I could have done that. Right.
Okay, let's get to zesting this lemon.
Have fun.
Okay, I need a knife first of all. In half. Actually, no. Okay.
That's so great grating.
I'll do this one. Is that working, kinda? This is not doing anything. Want to try?
You can do that.
It needs to be smaller though. Is it work coming out? A little bit. Better than nothing.
How much do we need?
The whole thing. Like the whole outside. Just the skin. That's good enough. I'll do some of it if I can.
Okay, that's done now.
Yep, so how long does that need to go on for? Or does it all go in together, or how does it work?
Grade up into 180, 160, and for base, 20% squares. On base, side, other paper overhead, and sides. Use electric beaters to beat the butter in a bowl for 2 minutes.
Why do we have to do that? Are we supposed to do that with this? Oh, stuff that. Let's do it our way.
2 minutes or until paste is pale and creamy.
That does not look pale nor creamy. Jeez.
Because you did it by hand.
Ugh.
Use fork to prick the dough all over. There you go. Then bake for 18 to 20 minutes.
Are you sure? And then you put the topping in?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
So you're gonna have to put that timer on your phone. So how long does that have to
It
go for
doesn't-
the
no
cupcakes? Okay, well we'll wait till the cupcakes come out then.
Yeah.
Okay. How long do the cupcakes have? A couple of minutes.
Couple of minutes. You want to see how it looks? You guys see how it looks? That's the brownie. And that's the cupcakes. Yum. And that's the lemon.
And this is me struggling to squeeze a lemon.
Okay.